In this video, I'm going to share how to make a hand scrub at home. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. So recently, a friend of mine shared a recipe for a homemade hand scrub, and I thought I would try it out today. You use liquid soap. I usually use baby soap, hand soap, or any facial cleanser I have on hand, but you could use any other liquid soap you have, or you could use oil if you prefer. Start with the dry hands. Once the water hits the sugar dissolves, I usually rub a little soap all over my hands and then add a teaspoon of sugar. Every time I go to a fast food place, I mix a couple of sugar packets and stash them in my bathroom. So yep, I do have a couple of sugar packets, so we can use those. Mix it all together and scrub, paying attention to the cuticles and skin around the nails. And she said you'll be amazed at how soft your hands are. So I'm really excited to try this out. Hey guys, so I'm here in my bathroom. So it looks like there's a lot of different options of soaps we can use. Hey, you know, I have this face wash. It's from Trader Joe's. I think I'll use this. I have this little packet of premium cane sugar. By the way, what do you think of these nails? Okay, so start with dry hands. Rub a little soap all over my hands. So I need to rub this all over my hands? Okay. Ooh, and it has tea tree oil in it too. Alrighty. Alright, so I have some very soapy hands. Hey guys, I have a question for you. Do you have a special product or routine that you like to do for your hands? You can share your answer below. And then add about a teaspoon of sugar. That's about a teaspoon, I'd say. And mix it all together and scrub. Ooh, this does feel kind of nice. Very gritty. After you're done, just rinse. Okay. So this is what my hands look like. What? Wow. Okay guys, my hands feel so soft. I don't know if it comes through in the camera as well, but in real life, my hands just feel so soft. Yep, so this is what they look like. I'm going to give this hack a 5 out of 5. I mean, she's right. I am amazed at how soft my hands are. Definitely works. I definitely would recommend it as well if you just want to do something really quick and make your hands really nice and soft. And I did use this face wash, but I'm sure anything really of that liquid soap consistency would work. I really enjoyed this. But I got a request a little while back for my purple geode nails I did on my Instagram. So hit the notification bell because next time I'm going to show you all the tutorial. Sign up to my email list for weekly newsletters featuring new videos. The link is below in the description. For a complete collection of all my nail art tutorials, check below in the description for the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. Better dry my hands. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Please feel free to share this video with your friends. And comment below, do you think you will try this recipe? I always look forward to your comments. I read them all. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best and have a magical day.